Every year, thousands of students search the same question. Is Noida International University worth taking admission in? Some students say it's a good option, others aren't convinced. So instead of relying on random opinions, let's look at the facts. In this video, we'll explore Noida International University's courses, campus, placements, student life, and most importantly, who should actually consider studying here. Let's get started. Noida International University, commonly known as NIU, is a private university located in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Established in 2010, the university has expanded into a multidisciplinary campus offering undergraduate, postgraduate, diploma, and doctoral programs. Spread across approximately 75 acres, the campus includes modern academic buildings, laboratories, libraries, hostels, sports facilities, and dedicated research centers. One of NIU's biggest advantages is its location. Being part of the Delhi NCR region, students get access to one of India's largest education and business ecosystems. That means better exposure to companies, internships, industry events, and networking opportunities. Engineering is one of the university's major schools. Students can pursue BTech programs in computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, cybersecurity, information technology, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and several postgraduate engineering programs. The curriculum combines classroom teaching with practical labs, industry projects, coding activities, and internship opportunities. Today, companies expect engineers to do much more than score good marks. They expect students to solve problems. That's why if you're planning to study engineering at NIU, don't depend only on your syllabus. Build projects, participate in hackathons, complete internships, and continuously upgrade your technical skills, because those are the things recruiters actually notice. Another strong area at NIU is medical and allied health sciences. The university offers programs in nursing, pharmacy, physiotherapy, medical laboratory technology, radiology, operation theatre technology, optometry, public health, hospital administration, and several other healthcare disciplines. Healthcare is one of India's fastest growing industries, and while many students focus only on MBBS, there are numerous career opportunities in diagnostics, rehabilitation, patient care, healthcare management, and medical technology. If your interests lie beyond becoming a doctor, these programs can provide valuable career pathways. The key is choosing a specialization that matches both your interests and future industry demand. For students interested in business, NIU offers BBA and MBA programs with specializations in areas like marketing, finance, human resources, international business, and entrepreneurship. The university also emphasizes presentations, internships, live projects, industrial visits, and personality development. Being located near Delhi and Noida gives management students access to a large number of corporate offices, startups, and business events. But remember, an MBA or BBA alone won't guarantee a successful career. Communication skills, internships, leadership experience, and networking remain equally important. Apart from engineering, medical, and management, NIU also offers programs in law, agriculture, journalism and mass communication, education, fine arts, liberal arts, computer applications, sciences, and several postgraduate and doctoral courses. This multidisciplinary environment allows students from different academic backgrounds to study on the same campus. Now comes the question every student asks: what about placements? NIU has a dedicated training and placement cell that conducts aptitude training, resume building sessions, mock interviews, soft skills development, and internship support. Students have opportunities to interact with recruiters from sectors like IT, healthcare, banking, manufacturing, consulting, and education. However, Here's something every student should understand. Don't judge a university only by its highest package or placement percentage. Instead, ask these questions. How many companies visit your department? What is the average package in your course? How many internship opportunities are available? And what kind of placement support will you receive throughout your degree? Because your placement depends on three things: your university, your skills, and the effort you put in during the next 3 or 4 years. So, should you choose Noida International University? If you're looking for a multidisciplinary university, modern infrastructure, a location close to Delhi NCR, and programs in engineering, healthcare, or management, NIU can definitely be an option worth exploring. But don't make your decision based only on advertisements or social media. Talk to current students, compare the curriculum, understand the fee structure, check the placement record for your specific program, and then decide. Because the best university isn't always the one with the biggest campus or the highest advertised package. It's the one that aligns with your career goals and gives you opportunities to grow. At the end of the day, a university can provide the platform, but your success will always depend on how well you use it. If you're considering Noida International University and need guidance regarding admissions, eligibility, scholarships, or choosing the right course, feel free to contact Shiksha Search. We'll help you make a smarter decision for your future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.